see something interesting about maps in Golang. So in Go, if you want to declare an integer, it would be something like this, and if you want to print it, it will look like this. So you do fmt println and the name of the integer. If I run the code, then it will assign a 0 value, which is 0 for integer. Now if I want to change the value, it would be 12, and if I print it again, the value 12 is displayed on the terminal. Same goes for string as well. If I declare a string and try to print it, it will be empty string, which is the 0 value for a type string. Let's change the value to California or something. If I print it again, it will show California. Now if I declare a map of type M, right, and which would have a string key and a value string as well. If I print it just like others, what would happen over here? It would declare, like, it will create a 0 value for map, which is nil. And let's try to add an entry to our map. Let's call it location key and value as California. So what we did was we declared a map and we added a key and value. Let's try to print it. We get an error. It panicked with an error called assignment to entry in nil map. So what actually happened over here? We did the same for integer, it worked. We did the same for string, it worked. But why didn't it work for a map? So it turns out when you declare a map like this, it actually creates a nil map with no keys and no values, and you can't add a new key into a nil map. So if you want to add a new key and value to a nil map like this, what you need to do is you need to initialize the map using make. So let's do that. String. So what this does is it initializes and makes the map ready for use. Now once we do this, we can add a key and value to the map. So let's run it. Nil string. I forgot to save it. Yep, let's run it. Okay, now our key is added over here. Key and value is added. You can use the shorthand form as well to do this. So declare map like this. It declares, initializes, and makes the map ready for use. And if you run it, your map is created and you can access the key and value using this. So I hope you learned something new, and thank you.